During Stage 1 fire restrictions, the U.S. Forest Service allows campfires in developed campgrounds and picnic grounds only. This is considered a developed campsite. These are sites where the Forest Service has installed manufactured campfire grates such as this one, or a pedestal grill such as this one. Generally, a fee is required in these developed sites. Wood or charcoal field fires are allowed in these sites because they are clean, maintained, patrolled, and they contain the fire to the ring or grill. This is considered an undeveloped or dispersed campsite. During Stage 1 fire restrictions, only the use of gas-fueled devices are allowed. All gas-fueled devices such as this one must have a switch to turn the flame off instantly. There are many types of gas-fueled devices, the most common being the barbecue grill, gas-fueled lantern, and camp stoves. There are also several new devices, such as this gas-fueled campfire, that has been designed to fill the need of having a campfire during fire restrictions. Wood-fueled campfires and charcoal grills in these dispersed sites are not allowed because the campsites are not maintained, constantly patrolled, and could allow the fire to escape. Devices such as tiki torches, kerosene lanterns, and candles are not allowed on any Forest Service lands during Stage 1 fire restrictions. And remember, fireworks are never permitted on National Forest land. There could be restrictions on other types of fire too, so know before you go. Contact your local fire department or county sheriff's office to see if there are fire restrictions in place.